And that is how you set a pole with a tractor without getting hurt. So what in the world do you need a pole set in the yard for? Well, I was thinking about some different things that I could do for Catherine, and this come to mind. I wanted to make her something in the yard that could be hers, or something special for her, or a place she could come hang out and look at the birds. And so I come up with the idea of making some bird houses and mounting them on the pole. So it's kind of like a totem pole for bird houses. So she's got a couple of different types of bird houses, and we're going to go ahead and get these other two mounted up on the pole, and maybe we'll put some on the other side of the pole too. So I wanted you guys to just take a minute. I wanted you guys to see why we set a pole in the yard, and I wanted you guys to see the birdhouses. So I've also made a video of how to build a birdhouse, if that's something that you're interested in going to look at. All right, as always, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You should be out in the shed helping me and Stella build some birdhouses.